Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you love stylish heels but also want comfort, then today's video is perfect for you. We're talking all about block heel designs, one of the most fashionable and practical footwear trends. Whether you're dressing up for a wedding, heading to the office, going on a dinner date, or simply looking for a comfortable everyday heel, block heels offer the perfect balance of a style and comfort. So make sure to watch until the end because I'll be sharing some of the most beautiful block heel design, styling tips and advice on choosing the perfect pair. Let's get started. What are block heels? Block heels are heels with a thick, wide base and distributes your body weight more evenly than thin heels. Because of this, they provide better balance, great comfort, and improved stability. Unlike stilettos, block heels are easier to walk in, make them a favorite choice for a woman all ages. Why are block heels so popular? There are many reasons why block heels continue to be a fashion favorite. First, they are incredibly comfortable. Second, they are stylish enough for almost every occasion. Third, they come in countless design, colors, and materials. Finally, they are suitable for beginners who are not comfortable wearing very high heels. Beautifully block heel designs, classic leather block heels. These timeless heels never go out of fashion. Available in black, beige, brown, and white, they pair beautifully with jeans, dresses, office wear, and formal outfits. Every woman should own at least one pair. Transparent block heels. Transparent heels creates a modern and elegant look. The clear straps give the illusion of longer legs and match almost every outfit. They are especially popular for parties and weddings. Parallel block heels. If you love luxurious footwear, parallel block heels are a perfect choice. Decorated with beautiful pearls, these heels add elegance to any outfit and are ideal for bridal events and formal occasions. Rhinestone block heels. These sparkling heels instantly attention, perfect for evening parties, reception, and festive celebration. Rhinestone block heels make every step shine. Floral embroidery and printed designs creates a soft feminine appearance. They are perfect for spring, summer outfits and outdoor events. Ankle strap block heels. Ankle straps provide extra support and improve stability. They look elegant with dresses, skirts, and traditional outfits while helping keep your feet secure. Platform block heels. Platform block heels add extra height while reducing pressure on your feet. They are a great option if you want a taller look without sacrificing comfort. Straight block heels. Soft, straight materials creates a luxurious appearance. These heels are perfect for autumn and winter fashions. Metallic block heels, gold, silver, and rose gold block heels are perfect for weddings, parties, and special occasions. They instantly elevate even a simple outfit. Minimalist block heels, simple, clean design with neutral colors remain one of the biggest fashion trends. These heels are versatile enough for everyday wear. How to style block heels? Block heels are incredible versatile. Pair nude block heels with jeans and blazer for a smart casual look. Wear black block heels with office trouser for professional elegance. Choose metallic block heels for evening gowns. Floral design look beautiful with summer dresses. Traditional embroidered block heels pair wonderfully with shalwar kameez and festive wear. All tips before buying blockage: always choose the correct size. Look for cushion insoles for added comfort. Check the quality of the sole. Select materials that suit your lifestyle. Pick colors that match most of your wardrobe. Invest in quality because good shoes last longer. Caring for your block heels. Clean them regularly. Store them in a dust bag or a shoe box. Keep them away from moisture. Use shoe trays or tissue paper to help maintain their shape. Avoid rough surfaces whenever possible. Current fashion trends. Fashion this year includes nude neutral shades, clear transparent heels, metallic finishes, pearl embellishments, square toes, minimalist styles, textured materials, soft pastel colors. These trends combine fashion with everyday comfort. Block Heels prove that you don't have to choose between comfort and style, whether you are attending a wedding, going to work, shopping, or celebrating a special occasion. These are block heels designed for every. Block heels have become one of the biggest fashion trends because they offer elegance without sacrificing comfort, whether you are dressing for work, a wedding, a party, or a casual outing. There is a perfect block is designed for every occasion. Block heels prove that fashion does not have to be comfortable with so many amazing designs available. You can easily find a pair for every occasion and every style. Which block heel design is your favorite? Let me know in the comment below. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest videos on beautiful heels, design and fashion trends. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Stay stylish and take care.